Hi guys, this is Sam from Android App Reviews. I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to schedule a text message on an Android phone. Now this is pretty much available in all Android phones, but I'm using a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm just going to go ahead and tap on the messages icon here, and I'm just going to select any one of these text messages, for example. Now where it says enter message, there's a plus sign next to it. Tap on that, and since this screen is already showing up, I just wanted to show you that there's other options here. There's a photo, camera, drawing, and location icon, and then at the very right it's the three buttons. This is what you're going to tap on to open up this screen, and you will then have all these different options. I'm going to select schedule message. Here you have a calendar. You can actually go as far into the future as August, a year from now basically. So that's pretty cool. I'm going to go back to August of this year, and just I'm going to select, let's say, August 30th at 6:40 p.m. and click done. Now if I was to type, and now it's showing that it's scheduled for Thursday, August 30th, 2018, 6:40 p.m. I'm just going to type hello and tap on send. Now it will show you that it's grayed out, and there's an icon of a clock next to it, which means that it is now scheduled, and you will see the date and the time right here, Thursday, August 30th, 2018, and the time next to the message as 6:40 p.m. and that's it. It's gonna basically send at that exact date and time to this person that you've selected. And I just wanted to share this amazing feature with you guys, and hope you liked this video. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you did, and there's going to be a lot of more content to come in the future. Thank you, and have a good day.